Grand Canyon Gas Log's Jumbo Slimline Arizona Weathered Oak Series is the perfect balance between bulk and beauty. All the logs of this collection were found deep in the northern Arizona forest. With its rich bark detail, lightning-struck center, and woodpecker hole, the unique characteristics of this front log tell a story in itself. Each log of this collection is individually cast and hand-painted to perfection by our artists in our northern Arizona factory. Grand Canyon Gas Logs are found in America and made in America. Available in sizes 24 inches through 120 inches, front view and see-through, jumbo and jumbo slimline, this is the perfect log set for your modular masonry fireplace. The logs are just half the story of this stunning log set. Manufactured in the heartland of America, the Jumbo Slimline burner features 1-inch bar stock, 3/4 inch gas line, stainless steel pan, and high output BTUs for a bold, robust flame.